his wee claws.
Danielle,
His
he could have diseases.
It's alright, you're not gonna bite me.
He might fucking peck
Sick,
you.
you do fucking bite me.
Ah,
you
thanks,
son of
Ma-
a
Mama.
bitch.
Feed
Feed me,
Ah,
Mama.
Danielle, look, no, don't do that.
Ah, stop it.
Yeah, maybe just pull it taut. Maybe he'll figure it out.
He's
Is his
caught
neck
tight
caught?
in it.
Or is it just his leg? His
I
mouth
don't know.
comes.
Just his leg.
You fucking
I
bite
think
me.
it's his neck.
leg.
His leg.
I think it's his neck.
For fuck's sakes, it's his leg. It's not his.
Oh, there you go, Danielle.
Alright.
Would
you just-
Where'd you get
There you go.
Jane, come over here, love.
Go
It's
see it, Donna.
See, he's
all
still
right.
got the tufts on his
Just
little
flip it
head.
this way, you Goomba. Not that way, you fucking. Now he's really.
There you go.
Right, piss off.
I can't feed you. I got nothing to feed you.
If we go away, his mom will come. But he was Dopey Dan was on the other side the other day.
And he just can't fly right then.
No, he can't. So his mom comes around and feeds him. Ma, that won't work.
Do you need to ride the short bus? Do you need a helmet on? Okay, he can go now.
Okay, you can water it over here again, Eden. He won't come near you.
He just was stuck in there.Is foot was
As
stuck.
soon as she went like that, his wee mouth open. Remember you used to do that to me?
He learned to fly!
It's a bird. It's not gonna eat you for
It's only a
Christ's
wee
sake.
bird, not
She's
a-
great. Scared the shit out
It's
of
a
her.
freaking bird. Look, look at Eden. Look, Eden's
the
like,
light-handed.
you're dumb.
You're lightheaded.
Look at Eden's like this.
It's on the video. It's on the video.
We gotta. we have to put
Danielle.
that on YouTube.
Blair Witch Project.
Where'd it go?
I swear to God, I thought I was gonna die. It was just
We have to go and look at that.
where'd it go?
It's over beside there.
Fuck, we better not chase him if he falls.
Oh, for fuck's
You
sake!
have to put that on
Revenge?
America's Funniest Home Videos.
The birds too.
Like, these